Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 25 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. The prompts for this week are a map, and I've got this map, it's Tim Holtz paper, something found underwater, I've got this crab, a flag, I've got these flag stickers, a picnic item, I've got this. It's the only one I could find. I wished it wasn't quite so cartoony, but we'll try to make it work. The sun or moon, and I'm going with the moon, and this is my favorite, although it's big, so I got this one as a backup. And bonus is my handwriting. So I wrote down this poem by Eileen Fisher. The moon is very, very old. The reason why is clear. It gets a birthday once a month instead of once a year. So I thought that was appropriate. And I hope I can pull all this together. We'll see. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And especially make sure you check out the hashtag 2022 CWP25 so that you can see everyone else's collage. It's amazing how we can all have the same prompts and come up with something totally different. There's some very, very talented people participating, so be sure and check it out. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm finished with my collage and I like it. Overall, I like the composition because I like the elements that I used. My least favorite is probably the picnic basket, only because it's cartoony where the rest of the stuff isn't. I tried to do a little bit with markers, not sure if I succeeded, but it is what it is. But I still like my overall composition. I think that, you know, I've got my flag next to the United States, which of course that's where I'm from, in Mississippi, right there. And I just added the star stickers just to kind of go with it. I added the little ants to go with my picnic basket. And I've got my something found underwater. I've got my crab, so I figure there's probably crabs in the Atlantic Ocean. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you hadn't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Be sure and check out hashtag 2022CWP25. I'll have it listed in my title as well as my description box, and you can just click on it and see what everyone else has done. And until next time, bye y'all.